need to create an AI assistant server that actually tells users how to interact with it. You'll see how to set up a FastMCP server with clear instructions, so clients know exactly what tools are available and how to call them. We'll start with a basic server, then add guidance that appears right in the client interface.
From FastMCP, import FastMCP. Hash create a basic server instance. MCP equals FastMCP. Name equals my assistant server. Hash, you can also add instructions for how to interact with the server. MCP with instructions equals FastMCP. Name equals helpful assistant. Instructions equals. This server provides data analysis tools. Call getAverage to analyze numerical data.
This demonstrates the server as container pattern for building modular AI-integrated services. The FastMCP class acts as a central registry that transforms ordinary Python functions into discoverable, callable components through declarative decorators. What makes this distinctive is its dual role as both a runtime server and a development time organizer, bridging the gap between local Python logic and remote client access. The pattern works by treating the server instance as a composition route where you register capabilities, tools, resources, prompts, rather than writing transport-specific code. Components remain pure Python functions while the framework handles serialization, validation, and protocol translation automatically. This separation of concerns lets you focus on business logic, while the server manages all cross-cutting concerns like type coercion, error handling, and transport negotiation. This approach matters because it eliminates the traditional RPC boilerplate without sacrificing type safety or discoverability. You get open API-like documentation and client SDKs automatically generated from your Python code, making it ideal for AI tooling, microservices, or any scenario where you need to expose backend logic to heterogeneous clients. The trade-off is framework coupling, but the productivity gains in reduced glue code typically outweigh this for most application use cases. Let's break it down line by line.
From FastMCP, import FastMCP.
This imports FastMCP, the core class for building AI-callable tool servers. It provides the foundation for exposing Python functions as tools that AI models can invoke programmatically.
Hash create a basic server instance. MCP equals FastMCP. Name equals my assistant server.
This instantiates the core FastMCP server, the central orchestrator for AI-callable tools. The name parameter identifies this server instance in logs and error reporting, enabling traceability in distributed systems. This is your entry point for building tool collections.
Hash, you can also add instructions for how to interact with the server. MCP with instructions equals FastMCP.
This demonstrates FastMCP's configurable server initialization. The instructions parameter defines how AI models should interact with your tools, creating self-documenting endpoints. This pattern replaces separate API documentation by embedding usage guidance directly in the server setup.
Name equals helpful assistant.
The name parameter assigns a human-readable identifier to the FastMCP server instance. This enables clear logging, debugging, and service discovery, critical when running multiple tool servers in production. Follows the standard pattern of naming networked services for operational visibility.
Instructions equals.
This defines a multi-line string for server instructions. FastMCP uses this to document available tools and guide AI interactions, functioning as both API documentation and usage hints.
This server provides data analysis tools.
This defines the server's primary capability, establishing its core purpose for clients. Clear capability declarations help AI models and developers understand available functionality without inspecting implementation details.
Call getAverage to analyze numerical data.
This defines the AI-callable tool signature, specifying getAverage as the exposed function for numerical analysis. The instructions document the server's capabilities, enabling AI models to discover and invoke the correct tool without hard-coded knowledge. This follows FastMCP's declarative interface pattern, where natural language descriptions become machine-actionable schemas. This closes the multi-line string for the instruction's parameter. Required syntax for Python string literals ensures the instructions are properly passed to FastMCP's constructor. This closing parenthesis terminates the FastMCP constructor call, finalizing server initialization with the provided configuration. Without it, Python would expect additional arguments or raise a syntax error. Always verify matching parentheses in constructor calls to prevent silent initialization failures. FastMCP server initialization. The FastMCP class instantiation shown here demonstrates the minimal foundation for creating AI-callable servers, where a name and optional instructions define the entire interface. The instructions parameter doesn't modify behavior, but shapes how clients perceive and interact with your server. This pattern proves that server identity begins with metadata, not implementation.
The server that needs no code still answers every call.